Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Well, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, hasn't it? So I am using the Friends for Life stamp set, but I wanted to make mention that we have a sale going on right now for all of the bundles. You can save an extra 10% off the bundles and 10% off the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine as well. So that if you're doing stamp math, it's already, the bundles are already 10% off. And so another 10%, I think that's pretty awesome. All right, anyway, so I am using Memento Tuxedo Black ink to stamp the sentiment that says, thinking of you. I'm using Pretty Peacock for my leaves, and then I'm going to use hearts and in the berry burst flavor. So I want to tell you what's been going on. I went on holidays for a little bit. I went up to Alberta. I saw my team. I saw some friends. I got to IKEA. I had an amazing time, but because I drove there and back by myself, I hurt my back a little bit, so I was kind of out of the loop. And then of course my mummy had some issues, so goodness me, she was in hospital with pneumonia. And now I'm just finally getting back to it. Okay, you guys, this is a paper called Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper. These are the colors that I used for this card kit. Is the Summer Splash and the Berry Burst. And I think my little strips of paper are a little shorter, but it doesn't matter. Whatever kit that you get, if it's shorter or longer bits, just put them on the cardstock like this, and then adhere the sentiment piece. Of course, you know, you don't have to purchase this bundle, although it's now, you know, a decent percentage off. You might want to. It's probably one of my favorite bundles. But anyway, so what I ended up doing, because this is a black line stamp, which I love very much, I thought, you know what, it's looking a little plain. I'm going to go in and just use a little bit of coloring. So I did that. And I think these are pretty simple. They're very vibrant. And I love the colors, and I love the paper, and I love this bundle, I have to say. So these are the card kits for you this month if you do choose to shop with me. Again, I'm very, very grateful for your business, and I do send out, if you use the host code, I send out a little goodie, extra little bit of an embellishment, no cost to you. I just send it with the card kit. So that is what I have for you today, and hopefully I'll get back to regular broadcasting. I will see you again soon. Bye for now.